Okay, in this example, we recognize here we have an x squared plus 18, and if you're like, well, let's just use our inverse operations, right? So we'll go ahead and subtract the 18, on both sides, and I get an x squared equals a negative 18. But hopefully you recognize here we come up with a problem, right? When we take the square root to isolate our x on both sides, we recognize we cannot take the square root of a negative number. So now what I can simply do is I can think of this negative as like a -1, and I can simplify the 18 as a 9 times 2. So therefore I have an x equals a plus or minus the square root of -1 times a 9 times a 2. Now, as we simplify this radical, right, I can take the square root of a -1, which I'm now going to use as I, take the square root of a 9, which is going to be a 3, and then I'm going to have to leave off the 2. So I have an x equals a plus or minus a 3 square root of 2 I. Now that we know that our roots, we can go ahead and rewrite this as a factored form. So let's go ahead and do that right now.